Did you know every number of beads in an agarwood bracelet holds a deep meaning? In Buddhism and Eastern philosophy, numbers are more than counting. They represent energy, intention, and balance. The traditional Buddhist mala 108 symbolizes the 108 earthly defilement, desire, attachment, and illusion, used for chanting, meditation, and spiritual purification. Is 25 carefully chosen beads of agarwood. Not too many, not too few. Odd numbers in Eastern philosophy carry flowing energy. They don't stop. That's why 25 is loved by those who seek motion, growth, and harmony. It fits your grace, but more than this, it fits your realm. Chosen for both masculine energy, especially 18, a multiple of 9, a number of eternity and wholeness in Eastern belief. Choosing your number is personal, whether for meditation, protection, or simply connection. Each bracelet carry intention. So, which number speaks to your soul? In addition, Phuc Vietnam offer a free customization for your bracelet based on your preference. Visit Phuc Vietnam at 128 Hang Trong Street for a free consultation. Feel free to contact us at our Instagram and our WhatsApp for more information. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you soon in the next video.